morning, teacher. My name is Gong Qingfa. I'm from class 5S3. Today I'm going to present about my project that I done in June holidays. This project is about the electrolysis of dilute sodium chloride solution. The middle one is the setup of apparatus of this experiment. This is emitter, this is battery, and this is the switch. Left side is anode, while right side is cathode. It's because the positive terminal and the negative terminal of the battery. The longest one of the battery is positive terminal, while the shorter one is negative terminal. Sodium chloride will ionize in water to form sodium ions and chloride ion. Water will form hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions. If ions, which is hydroxide ions and chloride ion, will move to anode, while the positive ions, which is hydrogen ions and sodium ions, will move to cathode. Now I would like to explain about anode. The reaction occurs in anode is oxidation reaction. Hydroxide ions is discharged and oxidized at anode. This is because the inner value of hydroxide ion is less positive than inner value of chloride ions. Therefore, the hydroxide ions release electrons to produce oxygen and water molecules. The half equation is 4 hydroxide ions will produce 2 molecules of water and 1 mole of oxygen. The observation is colorless gas bubbles are released. The colorless gas bubbles are released at the anode. The confirmatory test is lower growing the splinter into the test tube. Growing the splinter is related. Inference: this is due to the presence of oxygen gas. Now I would like to explain about the cathodes. The type of reaction that occurs in cathode is reduction reaction. The hydrogen ions is discharged and reduced at the cathode. This is because the inner value of the hydrogen ions is more positive than inner value of sodium ions. Therefore, the hydrogen ions receive electrons to produce hydrogen molecules. The half equation is 2 hydrogen ions will gain 2 electrons to form hydrogen molecules. The observation is colorless gas bubbles are released. The colorless gas bubbles are released at the cathode. The confirmatory test brought near a lighter wooden splinter near to the mouth of the test tube. A pop sound is produced. Inference: this is due to the presence of hydrogen gas. In conclusion, the factor that affect this experiment is inner value. The N ion which has less positive inner value in standard electron protection series will be easier to be discharged and oxidized, while the cation ion which have more positive inner value in standard electron protection series will be easier to be discharged and reduced. That's all from me. Thank you.